What's up? Your average hunter, and today I have a pretty cool unboxing. New, or not new, but brought back from 2013, Dead Humor. So yeah, I got him whenever he came out, and apparently he's not any different, so that's nice. So the $50 increase was just pointless. But whatever, I think he'll be cool. Come on. There you go. Alright, there we go. His box is so small. Yeah, okay, so stupid pull-out tray, as always. Some instructions. And there you go. So apparently some of these have been coming, I don't even need that, but some of these have been coming without Velcro, but mine seems to have Velcro, so that's good. Let me take everything out here. Here are all the feet for the mechanism. What the heck? There. There's all the feet. And then there's the poles. And yeah, apparently he's also slower, and he doesn't have an IR sensor or an external speaker jack. Spirit just lied about all that. There's his mech, basically it is just a jumping spider mech. And then him. Twist ties are crazy. Yo, how they do this? There. Okay. Okay, here he is. Looks pretty good, I'd say. Let me take the bag off. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay. There he is. Just got a flat head. His hair looks nice. Yeah, there's his body. There's his hand. His other hand. And yeah, I'm just gonna organize the stuff a bit and then start setting. Alright, so there are all the parts, and yeah, I'll just start setting them up. It's super straightforward. Just you gotta put the feet where they go. Literally just a jumping spider. There we go. Boom. Goes this way, I think. I don't know, but that, I think. Not like this. Boom. Boom. And then let me move the camera up real quick. And gotta take his body. I guess I have him backwards. Put it on right here. turn him around. And then, last thing, gotta put the wire on. And then I'll have to grab a brick because he's trying to fall over. But yeah, so I'm gonna adjust the clothes and then get a brick, then we'll demo him. Okay, I just turned him on. I haven't tested him yet, and the Velcro came off the front because of the brick I have on him. But yeah. Holy shit, that is so slow. He's so quiet too. Oh god. Yeah, the brick won't let me put the Velcro on. Yeah. This isn't even a pop-up prop. At this point, it's a rising from the grave prop. Yeah, he's pretty okay. I'll have to stretch his springs out some. Like what Halloween dude did. He's gonna fall over. Okay, I'll demo him one more time and I won't talk at all. Alright, so yeah, now let's get into my thoughts. Okay, so this guy, he's very cool, don't get me wrong. But he isn't upgraded from the original whatsoever. Like, this is a 2013 Techie prop. Like, they just brought him back by the books, okay? He like, oh my god, the light sensor, the absence of volume control, and external speaker jack. The Velcro that people aren't even getting, like, I'm surprised I got Velcro, honestly. That shouldn't be something I'm saying. The paint job is still the same, shitty paint job from 2013. The pop-up is so slow. Like, at this point, call him Rising from the Grave Clown, bro. Like, the old one was so much faster. I gotta figure out a way to get him to pop up fast. Cause, geez, bro. And then, like, I don't know, he's not worth 110 at all. If you're thinking about this guy, use a 20% off at least. And then that's still friggin' $20 more than the original, and it's the exact same. But yeah, that's all. Bye, guys.